Welcome to Boldeck eLearning. In today's video, we will talk about the Vlookup function. So how does the Vlookup work? It will go through the first left column in the array selected until it reaches the lookup value, and then it will go to the right until it will reach the column index number specified. And the intersection of these two, the lookup value and the column index number, will be the cell to be returned. Let's talk about the syntax. The Vlookup function takes 4 arguments. 3 of them are mandatory and the last one is optional. So in simple terms, the first argument is what you want to look for. The second argument is where you want to look for it. Next, the column number in the range containing the value to return. And finally, if you want an approximate or an exact match. So let's work out the simple example. We need to find the manufacturer of this car model using a secondary table. Okay, so we'll use the secondary table to find the manufacturer of the car model. Let's start by writing the formula equal v lookup tab. My lookup value is the car model, right? I will be looking in this array for the manufacturer. I will fix that using F4, comma. What is my column index number? My manufacturer data is in the second column of this array. Okay, so this is the first column, the model is the first column, the manufacturer is the second column. So I will input 2 and I need an exact match. So we will input 0 and close the parentheses. Let's press enter and autofill. And here we go. This is the full data that we are looking for. If you want more details about the Vlookup function, please check the video reference on the top right corner or on the left of this video. Thank you and take care.